Hello everyone, this is going to be my first long form video. I recently became a mother and I really wanted my first video to be around my pregnancy journey. Today I'll be discussing about all the items that you will be needing at hospital. So basically all the essential items that we need for the baby. The sole purpose of the video was to help the women out there who are expecting to deliver, because I think while I was in that journey, it was really difficult for me to gather all the information. So I think it will be helpful to a lot of women out there. I should start the video without further ado. The first item that I have with me is a jhabla. So this is made of muslin cotton. I think it is preferred. The muslin cotton one is preferred because it's really soft and very comfortable for your baby. Their skin is still very delicate, so I think 2 or 3 of them will be fine. So the next item I have is this onesie. I think you can also go for rompers. So basically, it's covered from neck to toe. That's really helpful. You can just pin it up or button it up. It's really good to go. Since I delivered in winter, so I had to get the full one. You can opt for the half ones also. So the next item will be this cap. I think 3 or 4 of them should do. One thing I'd like to mention will be just be aware of the size, because I got a few caps that were really small for my baby. So make sure that it fits your baby's head perfectly. So yeah, that's another item. Then the next item will be a pair of mittens. I really suggest to just buy a few of them, because what happens is in the initial few days when the baby's nails are all grown up and they have this tendency of scratching them up. So at least for the first few months, covering your baby's hand is really helpful. So yeah, that's one. The next item is this swaddling cloth. This is again muslin cotton. You can go for 3 or 4 of them. That should suffice. The next item will be this towel. So once the baby gets cleaned up, they are wrapped in a towel. So you will definitely need this one. The next item I have with me is this fleece blanket. I delivered in winter, so this was helpful to cover my baby up. The next item will be a dry sheet mat. I think getting a pair of them will be good. So yeah, the next item that I found really helpful was this baby carrier. I know it's very controversial because some people tend to love, some have not found it very helpful, but from my point of view, I think your baby is very tiny and it really is a struggle to hold them up. So at that point of time, this really becomes helpful, because you kind of swaddle them up and you really will be able to carry them up with a lot of ease. So I'll suggest that you should get one of these. Although it will be helpful for the first 2-3 months, I don't think you will be needing it after that once your baby grows up. But for definitely for the first couple of weeks, you'll need this one to carry your baby. So yeah, with that, I think I'm moving towards the end of the video, where I'll be discussing other items that you'll require. So the first very essential item is this will be this. In the market, you'll get 2 sort of diapers. First one is the tape style, the other one is the pant style. I'll suggest go for this tape style diaper because it is easy for you to wrap it up. One point I want to mention is get the size newborn. I know a lot of sizes are available. The sizes starts from newborn till and it goes up to extra large. But for the first few days, make sure that you're taking the newborn size with you instead of the other sizes. Last item will be the wet wipes. Although the hospital provided the wet wipes to us, but I still used this one. This is water wipes from Soft Sense. It's really nice. It's unscented and it's really nice. Trust me on this. This is the best wet wipes I've ever used. With that, I'll end this video. In case you have any questions or queries around the pregnancy journey, please feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out, because I know it's not easy to get the answers of all your questions. But I'll literally try my best to address them all. Thank you. Bye.